serious disciplinary actions against her.
Okay, thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Does anybody have another question? Let's just sit on our seat and ask your question.
My this is sir.
Okay.
I want to register this before you. It was reported.
Escort. Escort. AC Escort. Somebody has opened a register here. Bring barrel.
Sir, it is announced now in Lagos State that police on checking points are doing one or two things that we need to know.
Come here, you are the AC Escort.
Number one,
It is our responsibility to arrest
they will stop. They will stop Lagosians. They will demand for their phone. I'm coming, sir.
Wait, let me deal with that particular one. Okay. I am the DCA, the Twice Lagos State Police Command. Discipline is my schedule. I have sent out the signal my policemen and then they can confirm. Please, Lagosians, any policeman who does ask you to give him your phone to open is on illegal duty. We didn't send him that. Don't give the phone. Don't. You see, the mother whose spot is gone. She said the challenge you people have as Lagosians, as Nigerians, is to ask for your rights. It is not the duty of no policeman, and you want to be quoted here. No policeman can ask for your phone unless there is a warrant. Unless you are being investigated as a person. Not stopping me on the checkpoint and asking for what? My phone. We do not have such rights. Please take notes. And I insist, I demand that you ask for your rights. You won't be there every day. You people should know how to stand up for your rights. My sister here just said, you are afraid to stand.